it's Faye. I'm gonna share my experience using vegan skincare for 2 weeks in February. Quick disclaimer, yes, I did derma rolling about 4 times within this time, but excluding those days, I tested BioClarity's Clear Skin routine. In a partnership with BioClarity, I requested to do a full, honest, and informational review about the products, so please feel free to click out now if you're not about that life, and if you're still here, I think I found something for sensitive skin. It's very simple. There's only 3 steps to this clear skin routine. Everything is 100% vegan and cruelty free, so no parabens, gluten, sulfate, or fragrance. First, cleanse. Take a dab of this and rub it around, and then just rinse. I like to use my palms for more pressure around my chin, especially if I'm feeling oily that day. This contains green tea to detox the skin from toxins and everything that stresses our face out. Second, treatment. Use just enough to cover areas that need more attention. This claims to shrink pores while treating blemishes because of the salicylic acid, which we all know is a powerful acne-fighting ingredient. There's oat kernel in this as well, known to keep the skin hydrated since the salicylic acid is a bit more drying. So that's very, very thoughtful of BioClarity. Thirdly, restore. This is the secret step in this whole skin system. Lex, aka chlorophyll, was everything we learned about in school. Remember, it converts light into energy, right? Now you can tell your biology teacher that it can heal wounds, minimize wrinkles, and fade blemishes with vitamins A, C, E, and K. Green is good for the body, which means green is good for the face too. There's antibacterial, antimicrobial, and anti-inflammatory properties. This was my first time learning too, so like the skincare nerd I am, I did major research after hearing all of this, and it's true. The best part is that it's friendly for all skin types, so no one's left out. The restoring gel also contains licorice root, which will give you a cooling sensation and can help tone down any irritation. I actually normally use a toner with licorice, so I do approve of this ingredient. Lastly, this is optional. I went in with the Hydrate Skin Smoothie Moisturizer. It doesn't come with a clear skin system, it's separate. I do recommend this for oily skin types because the moisturizer is not oily or greasy. It's more on the watery side, so it sinks in and it just leaves your skin hydrated without feeling stuffy or slippery. That's a lot of things I loved about the skincare line, but some things I didn't like was that when I first introduced this to my skin, I felt a sting using the restoring gel. Not sure if that was a reaction or my skin was just a little shook and needed some getting used to. I'm also very new to vegan skincare, so I wasn't comfortable with chlorophyll at first, maybe because of the green. It was a little bit intimidating, but after a few tries, I come to like it. The products do seem a little small, as if they're not enough, but trust me, a little goes a long way for a whole month. This is a monthly subscription, so if you want to try this vegan skincare routine to clear skin, I do have a 50% off discount code for you for the first month. I'll leave it in the down bar if you're interested. I really hope you learned something new today and can utilize this information for your own skin benefits. Let me know your thoughts on vegan skincare, and if you have any more suggestions, I actually want to try more. Help a sister out. Until next time, I'm sending love. Bye.